Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're showing off this. It's a fantastic rowing machine from Sunny Health, and Sunny Health is one of the premier brands when it comes to exercise and fitness. Now this is a fantastic device that's easy to use, good for you, and it's really gonna help you get into the shape you wanna be in. So why is rowing good for you? First off, do you sit at a computer all day hunched over? This is going to work this way. As somebody who does chest a lot, that's my main workout. Being able to do back is something that I don't do enough of. It's going to help me eliminate muscle tension in my neck from sitting and staring at a screen all day, help my posture, and just make me feel better. Now this is a straightforward device, and this has great ability to stretch your body, elongate your body, and tighten a whole bunch of muscles. So let me go ahead and show you some of the cool aspects to this device. Now first, there's a lot of different workouts you can get. You want to just do biceps? Do this, right? I'm pulling with this bicep here, and this is going to help me there. You want to get back? Pull all the way back here and tighten your shoulder blades. A great way to work out as well. You want to do your abs? Stretch all the way out and get those abs engaged. There's a lot of different things you can do with this. You can even do it more of a leg workout by solely moving your legs. This is going to help your quads, your calves, and your overall health. I also like that I can do side to side, work my obliques, and this is gonna help you maintain a trim stomach. It's a total body workout, and it's one of my favorite workouts. Now, unlike a lot of the others, this offers water for resistance, and if you want more resistance, you just put more water in it. It's just that easy. I filled mine up with a garden hose. I'm gonna put it overlooking the pool when I'm done with this, like overlooking the lake over by the pool. And I'm gonna get a great workout thanks to this fantastic device. Now, there's a lot of cool things about this that we're gonna learn. First off, there is an onboard computer. That's gonna show you your reps, your calories burned, your heart rate, stuff like that. It also has a place that you can set your phone or tablet so you can watch movies while you do this. And the thing is, I love working out, and this is one of my preferred workouts. Now, something else that's really nice about this, I'll show you, is that it is easily movable. I had a little too close to the cat tree there. So we're gonna move it around, and you can see how easy this is to adjust. It's because it's got two straightforward wheels there. All right, so a fast, reliable, impressive device. And again, you want to go side? You want to go side? This is the device for you. You want to do back? And of course, work those legs. Work those legs, folks. There's so many different things that you can do. Work your shoulders. All you have to do is go up. That one's a good workout right there. And this is something you don't have to be already in great shape to do. It's one that I can carry on a conversation, but I'm getting a good total body workout. You know, it's not like I'm running a sprint. If I was running a sprint, I wouldn't be able to talk, right? I'm still a little winded. The blood is flowing to my entire body. Right here too. You're really feeling it because it's a total body workout. Now, one of the things I like most is that premier brand. The good folks at Sunny Health know how to make a great product that's built to last. Now, I will tell you I was a little intimidated when I first got this because I thought it was gonna be difficult to set up. But as it turns out, it was not difficult to set up. There was 4 bolts under this seat. You use an Allen wrench. 4 bolts under here. Use an Allen wrench. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right here. Again, an Allen wrench. So 16 bolts, and this thing was pretty much good to go without a word to say. So folks, if you're looking for something stylish and sophisticated, this is it. You want something absolutely high quality and good looking? Well, this is it. And I'm a big, big fan. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We love showing you good products. I did about a 5-minute workout there. I like to do rowing as either a cool down or a warm up to the rest of my workout. It's a good way to get your entire body ready to work out, whether you're working legs, chest, biceps, triceps. Yeah, you're getting triceps back. You're getting your whole body worked out. And this is a great device. High quality, good looking. That red and black attack is back, baby. All right, go ahead and check it out. You won't be disappointed. Again, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Booyah.